Welcome back to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Ritual Challenge, and you are listening to the money lessons. The last part is maintaining your balance. In earlier money lessons, we had beliefs about money, attitude, right mindset for the money, what are the earning for money, how to grow rich, and now maintaining the balance is the last part of the money lessons. These money lessons are taken from Atharva Veda and Art of Wealth book. The first thing is how you can maintain the balance or retain the money what you have created. The power of gratitude. The first law for maintaining balance is simply called expressing the gratitude. People who let the law of attraction work for them are certain kind of people. You will recognize them when you meet them. They're often positive, joyful, and in the awe of the word, and full of love and compassion. So always express gratitude. There are gratitude statements. There are various ways of showing gratitude. You can watch our lesson of specifically gratitude, where we have taken a gratitude meditation with 100 and more gratitude affirmations. The second thing is, whenever you are shopping or purchase anything, you shop for a quality, buy a good stuff and not a cheap stuff just to save money. But definitely you have to bargain. Don't shy away from bargaining, but shop for a quality. Bargain is good, but you see that you buy two t-shirts for one is not good. The third one is, rich people are bigger than their problems. They don't focus on problems. They always focus on solution. And secret of success is not try to avoid or get rid of or shrink from your problems. The secret is grow yourself so that you can be bigger than any problems. If you have a big problem in your life, all that it means is you are being a small person. The another lesson for maintaining the balance is, you paid what for it, how to shop around. You paid what for it and how to shop around. Always see where you can see a good pricing. Never borrow money from your friends and family. I think we might need to have a quick recap of what friends and family are there for. They are there for caring, loving, supporting, nurturing, helping, getting advice from, comforting, having fun, sharing, but not to mention that never borrow from them, never steal from them, and never cheat them. That is the rule of millionaires. Play your future and plan your investment. When you realize you are cracking along fast in the outside lane of the age motorway, can see less road ahead than there used to be. So you should be keen to make sure, if you do not stop earning, you will be able to afford the level of luxury and comfort you now enjoy or you want to enjoy. So plan your future and plan your investments. So these are the few rules the millionaires follow. Another one is know when to stop. What is that? When to stop? Yes. Didn't you say earlier that you should not rest on your safer or it will decrease? Yes, I did say that, but that was when you were starting to get results, not when you have done really well and were wealthier than you thought ever would be. So spend more with your time with your family, have fun, get the work life balance, enjoy your life, go traveling, use your time to pass on what you have learned to teach others. And now, sharing your wealth. Never lend money to friends or family unless you are prepared to write it off. Yes, you can lend them when you know that you are not going to ask. You really, really can't take it with you, whatever you are earning. So have that. Millionaires believe they must be generous, and they are always generous. Once you have got it, Don't unnecessarily flaunt it. And now what next is you become a millionaire and inspire others to change their lives. So help in my mission that I want to change the money world by spreading the knowledge of millionaire mind frequency, where we learn, we remove the blocks about the money, we install the new software, we learn the income generation skills, we learn the money management, how to come out of debt, and so many things. Attract money ritual. We discuss about the secrets of attracting abundance. There is a difference between abundance and prosperity. So help us spreading millionaire mind frequency, a unique, exclusive, four-dimensional blueprint to become a millionaire at 4 levels: at your physical level, health, heart, mind, and soul level. So see you in future videos.